Hello, guys. My name is Ramin. And my name is Aryan. Today we will play. Now we are playing the nerve blindfolded moving target. So today we are using the nerve Doomman's Vagabond. Let's start the game. Okay. We have a cousin Arif who is the blindfolded shooter. So let's start the game.
Three, two, one. Oh, the bullet is.
Salim and Rahim was out, so I won. Yay! Now it's my turn to shoot. So here we go.